start making our slime, and we play with it. I need more slime.
Go make more? Sure. You can make some more.
You want to make slime with us? Look. So I'm gonna make mine higher. Like what? I do it?
Take control.
Huh?
You can play like that.
Like mine. Cause I make it all. Here she comes. Oh, guys, look at all this. Look at mine. And then mix it up. Then
Is you trying to mix him in the other way?
yeah. Wow.
It's gonna be too hard for y'all to use it good. You don't know how to stay on. Yeah. You gotta do a move to stay on.
There you go. Subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram.